yo abresana mako obia kano masa obia ansa na koba mo ba mo page na mfiosi nana sonko YouTube mo kola fana fo bia mfika sale ka no video no fo bon mondene fe fakatale share video ansam fika subscribe to YouTube channel nana sonko ndo jane mi hia fe na fa ni suato anopa impese mi no we de sua de about the Bible. You ba check say Bible no contradiction wom and say contradiction wom and ba no ke ve Bible an lo kana kokwe obolo be kana kokwe mbolo fa kan Bible an ul ba le to asan fe asngande no ro to ko bamban ton ko an so me jo jale ul ba me jo anu e bo Bible an lo fa ko li fe anu Bible on oje dasa obdanga otoro chanela ojuru ba na so na se contradiction wo Bible no mu a oji di se Bible no book no e divine ana ntende ya ba behwe am se ndo an ba na baki am se mokora na meje fa base nyingisi fa ka subscribe to Nana Sonko YouTube Nana Sonko on YouTube kai na subscribe to Nana Sonko on YouTube na share videos ahead e wo ho last week me the birth of Jesus last week mawa Yesu nkokoi an ba ko Yesu nkeyo fa yo kale fa ka mu contradiction ngobolo masam de pe ase mo won pe o di kan no the book of Genesis chapter 32 verses number 30. According to verse no e kire say papa bi friend Jacob e ka fe onyelo ko batimu Jacob o nwulu bale ogba ko to bu nwu bale odinani ye den ehu Nyankopon nti ye ba be kinkan na wankasa no ye den wati ye be kinkan anaba na bakale na fofo wante na funu ankete do Genesis chapter 32 verse 30 or say Jacob said Jacob ye I have seen God face to face man wulu bale akoto na akoto maba akoto bu wante baka wulu bale and I am still alive according to Genesis chapter 32 verse 30 okwa wulu bale bi okun wulu bale batem Jacob from ta Bible na fakale nti according to Genesis chapter 32 verse 30 no obi hu Nyankopon face to face even for kale Exodus 24 verse 9 to 11 Moses mam kamela aji ban wulu bale mfon fine am say okwo agbagoto bu wulu bale ama make fa we be kale John chapter 1 verse 18 obe kan John 1:18 a yenko tie de wo ho menua moteli mada menua peni na pese wo tie ase me yafunu ka ase fe bukan iwe ambate mo Bible nyi wulu bale ko no twele enya mi bi na twele obi na etwere de ama Nyankopon oko no twele odo sa wulu bale am se fa ka iwe an lo contradiction do ni kana kokwe do ni kana nje konko John 1 verse 18 omba mbakale oye no one has ever seen God the only son who is Sankale, no one has ever seen God, the only son who is in the same as God, and is at the Father aside. He made him known. Nfe kapo fe okana wulu balake. Bene wulu bale mi jia ngani nfo ji Yesu no, mudon wulu bale lim basakai obakapo kai. I'm saying according to John chapter 1 verse 18, okana wulu balake. Okana matolo wulu balake. But for Genesis chapter 32 verse 30, Jacob wulu bale. I'm saying moteli momo anata momo wulu balasan momo gen John 1:18 oyo okana wulu balake. Genesis 32:30 oyo kwa wulu bale. I'm saying from check bi na wulu balasan. To me we nya Nyankopon asem e contradiction. Ma se fra mo wulu balasan. For first Timothy 3:16 oye kotwele pe ole wulu bala honhomlo atwero nyina afri Nyankopon humiemu na ni fe me je kotwele ampe ale wulu bale honhomlo on se fe kai ba wante kai ba balo on se fe ka na kokwe wante obalo so say atwero no fri Nyankopon humiema we don't need to have contradiction in the Bible, but first contradiction Genesis 32 verse 30 someone saw God. John 1:18 no one has ever seen God. One can check nafa from k nafata. Number 2, anio contradiction number 2. Contradiction number 2, solone okonyana be amakanyana. Solone ngani pesio okonyana be amakanyana. Asasi ebe se krakra ana asasi ense ye kwa kohwe. Me ka tell say book no. Wo kan book na menji nsem na ewo mu no ndi. Asem obolo fu makola so na naji. Onta wo be kan adwen hu awi abenefa kale na for jonala apwe fe kolifiji for the one thing for the college ani okale Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 14 manaba mbamba kalo Megama ka Ecclesiastes 1:14 fofomfo fuka nuam kate wante kate do beso na ne kanyana fuka beso na ne makanyana fuka ana wala na ka wo kala tamambang tinu kusumu kapo yo ana ka wo kala tamambang Ecclesiastes chapter 1 Osenkafo chapter 1 verse 14 menyele mbamba kale ibaku anu fe mo wa teachings about the Bible mbamu du na fu nyakanyiti okwe akotoko nyakanyiti na funu bia ketandu we wo bia atutuma wonte oblo Ecclesiastes 1:14 Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 14 mbamba kale was I have seen everything done in this world and I tell you it's all useless. It is like chasing the wind. You can't straight what is crooked. You can't count what is aren't there. I told myself I have become a great man, for far wiser anyone who ruled 1:14. Sounds a lesson in the Ecclesiastes 1:14. 1:4. Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 4. Was it generation comes, generation go, but the world stays just the same. Generation comes, generation go, but the world stays the same. I want to atwaso ba asase no de etia na yeden eti. So aha kire yen say asase amene wotisi. Ensei da de etia na beti yebewu akwaba na yewu nipa na nipa ewu na asase kro na eda ho eye no kore asase na mo se Nyankopon boy in the garden of Eden dadaada no eno one da so wuhui ensei da nti mu kai se Nyankopon say iwe asikura asase kro na asase na nane afei ye ba the book of Peter, 2 Peter chapter 3 verses number 10 nti according to the saying according to Ecclesiastes yetimi ahusisi ha se bibia be sei mpo a asase de ensei da biara da asase no etim ho e wo ho da bia eni da bia but ye ba the book of 2 Peter chapter 3 verses number 10 na ehon nso ya ba be kinkan na ebisa se asase e be sei ana asase ensei ye ko 2 Peter chapter 3 me ba be kinkan enoni. Was it, but the day of the Lord will come like a thief. On that day, the heavens will disappear with all shrine noise. The heavenly bodies will burn up and be destroyed, and the earth with everything in it will vanish. 2 Peter 3:10. But the day of the Lord will come like a thief. On that day, the heavens will disappear with a shrine noise. The heavenly bodies will burn up and be destroyed, and the earth with everything in it will vanish. According to 2 Peter 3:10, na okapo fe nkesi wulu ba ka bo judgment day no sole kan na we na ne makale mu sole. But Ecclesiastes 1:1 ekapo fe sole ne anwoji sole maka na we asase ne etim hoda am sen bia no ye aninu nkiam na batimu Peter 2 Peter 3:10 be aninu Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 4 nembate contradiction Bible alo am se ne kapo fe onji wulu balasen we kire se nyame asem. According to Peter asase be nane, according to Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 4 asase no de etia eneti asase no enane da generation I want to aso beko akwaba na asase da so te ho kokwe kaba tete so na nemfi amaka lowe so na maka ngana we anakati hotabo so la me Bible lan onji wulu bar kwaso okono twele mo ye wulu balasan ye to aso. Contradiction number 3, Matthew 19 verse 26 obi anya kanite quotation ambia quotation buku to pe bon point no fe ka de le pen na paper na fa twele Matthew chapter 19 verse 26 mbamba kale me be kin kan Matthew chapter 19 verse 26 na ya tie de wo ho Matthew 19:26 ye wia ye be kwa kan another one na ja na alowe ene ka wo ka lo bamba Matthew 19:26 am oyente oye Jesus looked straight at them and answered, "This is impossible for man, but for God everything is possible." This is impossible for man, but for God everything is possible. That means a person say according to nipa de bibia ntimi nye de enye possible. mfe kpɔ kabɔ fɛ me ji wulu bala kɔtɔlɔ fra sasa kɔtɔlɔ nya kete bia no tɔlɔ ji ama wulu bala nkpɛ le wulu bala kɔtɔlɔ fra kete bia italɔ wante ɔtɔlɔ ji manu ka se afei yenko tie Judges chapter 1 verses number 19. If everything is possible in the name of God, you go tie the book of Judges chapter 1 verse 19. Ye kɔhwɛ asɛm bi a ɛde ɛwɔ hɔ. Judges 1:19 mba kale na nunu kete ngoblo because Matthew 19:26 an oyente we wulu balan pe no fra kiti bia italo wante otalo che kiti bia tolo wante otalo che mombati contradiction ko to sam bible an onji wulu bal kan lo asun momma kale mi misuni fo am se bible on ta na fa kale bible ko bi ana ka bible on anin ti gboju anin nyasan anin ti gboju baba kana ne ani po anama po kayaki ma fu kwasida fuku fa ku maka kalafi a chosoro bako sa fuku minu baka bu fasu mfaka bda am sana danwa kristo sum loni nkeje ko bi ngosa fa na taiwe an na na kali wu an na na ba adwo ne baka li wu an na ne mu fe anu iwe ne nfi ko sum beto dwo an be taiwe an so ntuma lo oja na be onja no. This is the time we need to read the book with our brain, not with our heart. Matthew 19:26 and I say, in the sight of God, everything is possible. Matthew 19:26 and yeah, ulubalang pelo fra kiti bia taloche. That means ulubalang tolo wa kiti bia manukase. Judges 1:19. Yeah, babe kinkai. Na you contradiction eho. Na ni mo ko kwe ngo kwe krekele lianga na kalo so nyaga intefunu meteli. Judges 1 verse 19 mbamba kale na fufunu verse 16 verse 17 verse 19 obon fede mono mbamba kale was the Lord helped the people of Judah urubalacha Judah awilo and they took possession over the hill country bacha bamamba boko besio ba okobam urubalacha bamulo batala kobam machasi metwaso but they did not capture ama bantalmo Gaza, Ashkelon, or Ekron with their surrounding territories. Gaza, Ashkelon, Bantalamobam, Bantalamobam. These people living along the coast had iron chariots, and so the people of Judah were not able to drive them out. Matthew 19:26 here, in the name of God, everything is possible. In the sight of God, everything is possible. But according to Judges chapter 1 verse 19, Nyankopon or the Israel folk on tokwa bi umkodu ntokwa no omantimi enkum ntokwa no omantimi enkum nkrofo no ntimi ankapcha nkrofo no just because Gaza for any Ashkelon for now they were holding the iron or metal chariot. Nti de nti Nyankopon antimi omo Israel for Judah for antimi anko omo se sankrofo no na they were in the mountains, they will live in the mountains. So in this portion mfe kapofe Gaza na Ashkelon awuyan ba mo fala ba boko besi mbadek ngamana batemu kadala kpanga badek kadala kpanga am se fe bade adala kpanga so wulu bala ntala chaba meko ai sam fala ntala mo bam amana kalimati 1926 so oye kete bia mbolo fe wulu bala matalowa nteni Gaza wi na Ashkelon wi ngobu Judges chapter 1 verse 19 wulu bala ntala chaba meko contradiction. That means in Crawford, because they were holding a metal chariot. And they were living in the mountains. So God in the Bible can never fight them. But Matthew 19:26 say, in the name or in the sight of God, everything is possible. Number contradiction. Total 100% contradiction. So in the name of God, everything is possible. But Judges 1:19, God couldn't fight them. Ulbalantale chabameko. Mombati contradiction. Mutili, kale Bible, mada, kale Bible, mini, kale Bible, masi, kale, na fuba adwene bakale, fuma budum, bakale. Menje fukali wea, mfede kakpono fakale, faka nukase, ama adwene udafukulo bakale. Anechasi, yenwi, yetuaso. Contradiction. Kato bangu, buku nengi uru balasano. Circumcision, kutu ketang, batin kutu, circumcision, obiya nonkusubu nunu. According to Genesis chapter 17, verses number 20, ulbalato ason konfon, oye meje fejo nyele, nfinitin kutu, meje ulbalo, ba ulbalo, fekayo ulbalo, meje ulbalo, kolo heaven kwe bolong anakayo, finitin kutu fa kayo, ano ason nenfi ulbalo no toy. Ama meja na ba New Testament and ka bunu keton do Genesis 17 verse 20 me ba be kinkan mba kale lonko sobo nyakanyiti tobo nati according to Genesis chapter 17 verse 20 no apama Nyankopon de ma Israel fo ene obi a obeji Israel fo edi and obi obeji Bible na edi nti we Kristo ni Bible no di na we water according to quotation me ba be kan onko heaven but ye wia another verse will contradict this verse me ba be kinkan no me wia ma lo nka bamba kale ano verse bamba obobo contradict mamba bakalo nyakanyite na funu verse 20 I have heard your request about Ishmael. Genesis 17, verse 19. But God said, 19, Makali verse 19, your wife, Sarah, will bear you a son, and you will name him Isaac. I will keep my covenant with him and with his descendants forever. It is an everlasting covenant. I will keep my covenant with him and with his descendants forever. It is an everlasting covenant. I have heard your request about Ishmael, so we'll be blessed and give him. Remember, Sunday pointer. Verse 9. About verse 9. God said to Abraham, verse 9, you must agree to keep the covenant with me, both you and your descendant. In future generation, you and your descendant must all agree to circumcise every male among you. From now on, you must circumcise every baby boy when he's 8 days old, including slaves born in your homes and slaves bought from foreigners. I'm saying Genesis 17 verse 9. According to Nyankopon, Megefa wonyele temukutu apwe or the your heaven. Genesis chapter 17 verse 9. O bema twanetwetia circumcise no. That means one twanetwetia o nka Nyankopon ma ho. Afi Galatians chapter 5 verse 2. Ye kotie contradiction ho. Uya brabe ka chem se we Nyankopon asem. Fa wa le butu nfi anu we nemfi wul bala asane. Galatians 5 verses number 2. Kale. Book no free Nyankopon book we Nyankopon na twere anu we we na nya wul bala ko no twele nya wul bala honhom bia no twele aiba do no blo. Galatians 5:2 obobo contradict Genesis chapter 17 verse 9 nyakanyite na funu. Listen, I Paul tell you that if allow yourself to be circumcised, it means that Christ is of no use to you at all. Paul ko kapo fe meje fanu kasim batem fukutu Yesu Kristo onde mfaso osafo. Am say Kristo awu ya mena nu kasim ne ya anyele batem ne kuto. According to Paul, heaven ko ibolo na makayo. Paul person kire se wugitum na ye sekunsa we twa wotwetia se Yesu bi ba impo na wugini dia eye nkwase asem heaven bia ni wa obede obekobi because Paul akasa mo so mo kire se kronkron e na Paul edi kasa he ti se si ayentie Paul ana yenkutie Nyankopon e wo Genesis chapter 17 verse 9 minua to obo na tie muteli nya kan na funu anu wole ne bati mo Bible ai se ko na batwele mbabo wo panane ai se jombo just to take away our natural resources. But here batane kailato babasale batani gold away batani ntu away batani ayi away batani nkamna batin box and babo pe basale batuli we bobane fe ani yo tosro ani ko luru baliji ani yo asole ani ko luru baliji na luru balai deji na mijaba okobotane be ya heaven kaibani kaibamba baba panano ni amsi obia ngukonu ngani video ne from sala mu nyaka nyite quotation am kuto you of your kale Genesis chapter 17 verse 9 okapo fe meje fa ko onyele temkutu apwe me ka nyampa o de nyampa ana se fa temkutu a ogoji wulubales ogoti wulubala gisi am according to Bible meje fa temkutu because wulubala gi fa ntisi fa no kasi but meje fa ba New Testament Paul akaboto Galatians chapter 5 verse 2 fe meje fa no kasi mbetim fukutu fe o Genesis chapter 17 verse 9 Yesu ndi mfaso osafo fa ko Yesu njikura ayedemfo wa fa ko Yesu njikura kijimi mfijimi fa aka nyampa mpambro safo we mombatic contradiction real totally 100% contradiction yet waso aka quotation be 4 na ya heden ya ri aka quotation say aka quotation 2 na heading ya wi. According to Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 20 mbamba kale Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 20 nyaka internet Ezekiel 18:20 Ezekiel 18:20 mbamba kale Bible me bi Dawuda im me kutu afa na kenkan Bible an okweda afaka chano ma quote twele dia na fakale obo Bible an lo me ba kai ba fakam me to kasintim fakam iwe ne ke ba bo panana ketanga na wa na kanyan pawo eji ane pejikiji ani to ko ane she na ane ulu bala na ni dembati mikisio brofo abuto ga na fe sonko ejikisi jonko ejikisi dente ejikisi shere ejikisi gurumande ejikisi ke ba bo panana ne ma mfa na pe onjikisi amma Bible an obo panana nketang oji atutumo ana sel ko so amo pesi fukanu asanfe 18 verse 20 Ezekiel 18 verse 20 mbambakalo nyakanyiti mibabe kinkai tobo. It is the one who sin will die. A son is not to suffer because of his father's sin, nor a father because of the sin of his son. A good man will reward for doing good, and an evil man will suffer for the evil he does. I will say, according to Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 20, may the first why boy baka mo fu bitile fasalo. Make fasa why boy baka panaisha fase beti e baka panaisha fo betile fasalo. Make ye fu fam fiki video jo funa fa why boy baka mo fase betile folo. Ana say fijan fa why boy baka panaisha fase betile folo. Mo peni because keteni fi metenzio meje ulubata ya kwefo meje ba mi fe be mu no wi ba tale ba yo mo na ba okalamse na na kawanku fa ta fi okam fe na na kawanku mi jiji mo so mawi tam se ba yo mo ba kala kawanku na kawanku na Matias dabi mase ba tale ba kalama no wante oyeyi anu Ezekiel 18:20 otowone. So according to Ezekiel 18 chapter 8 Ezekiel 18:20 e kire se oba ye bone a monhwe oba mpa na hye oba no o papa nso ye bone a papa no he have to face his punishment and his consequences. But ye ba be hit kan Exodus chapter 20 verses number 5 na yentie de eden e wo ho anaba no be kale Exodus chapter 20 verse 5 aba say Exodus 20 verse 5 e be contradict Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 20. Video no metwa so sesi a ba mesere wo saka video na bombon say obe subscribe to the YouTube channel. Bombon fe faka subscribe YouTube channel. YouTube channel line Nana Sonko. Me yu ame de beto na wahwe. Wodwie na wonti bibia so ame number no e wo ho 0241 53 93 34 frame. Fun no Sonko ka ase fun mate Salamo. Fun mate Salamo ana ya wuyan bebre tim ba Salamo. I don't care. Mamu kasimtim makapo for fake pata fake pa famata mon force for Exodus chapter 20 verse 5. Verse 4. Do not make for yourself image of anything in heaven or on earth, down or under the water. Start. Do not make for yourself images of anything in heaven or on earth or in the water under the earth. Do not bow down to any idol or worship it, because I am the Lord your God. I tolerate no rival. I bring punishment on those who hate me and on their descendants down to the third and the fourth generation. I bring punishment on those who hate me and on their descendants down to the third generation. Exodus chapter 20 verse 4 to 5. Na kire say wokoye bone bia Nyankopon say or the punishment beba o generation, so from o first generation to the third generation. Fanu so mfoi kapo for first generation to for third generation urubale figi oko punishment fanana oko punishment fanana oko punishment ama to the fourth generation. Book ne onji urubale ya no we ne onji urubale we e ba ko ne ba twele mba bo panani. Plenty contradiction. No wante no blo. Last contradiction. Last one. James chapter 1 verse 13. James 1:13. Verse verse 13. If a person is tempted, he must not say, this temptation comes from God. For God cannot be tempted by evil, and himself no tempt no one. Nti ahana kire se Nyankopon so nipa nhwe. James 1:13. Nyankopon on so nipa nhwe. Wulubale. Amacho se loki. According to James chapter 1 verse 13, wulubale macho se loki. Am se meje kotokwe tofo mate wulubale no tofo loki. Am se bo afu kulufe wulubale macho se loki. Afi yeah, Genesis 22 verse 1. Men fio. Born so Nyankopon hwe. Na mama bon sam so Nyankopon ahwe. Genesis 22 verse 1. The Bible think kai James chapter 1 verse 13. And I told you kai James 1:13. We bala machas so amachos seloki. Sometime later, God tested Abraham. God did what? Tested Abraham. I'm so we feel about it. Chassis selobe. Ama chassis selo. Make you for kali tree young no kapolo. So for fanya tree young for kali. When you tree na kinkai. Genesis 22 verse 1. James chapter 1 verse 13. What I say? Nyankopon so di pashe according to Genesis chapter 22 verse 1. Uti. James 1:13 was in Nyankopon so nipa nhwe. Ti we na chere contradiction in the Bible. Man kapo contradiction of Bible and so we kapo fe Bible on onjuru bala kano lasan. Onjuru bala kano lasan. Am se media fa nya video fa share video ne no okunu. Fa share no ko salaka. Abuluri ni ba we ne ba parane. Ani to ani nyuru bala. Apwe Bible de ba. Na yinim Nyankopon ansa Bible ba. Yinim Obo ade Anthony nyo da bipo omo da kayo apwe ba de Bible ambo ba ne fokisala ka no video ne subscribe nana sonko masa okan manse obia wonya ka yitemu nu aso ne masa manse anaka wowa another version na okoje resurrection of Jesus Yesu kumukuwu kokoso koso Matthew ato oje kokwe koso John ato oje kokwe koso Mark ato oje kokwe koso Luke ato oje kokwe different okwe am se meja naki amikam fe momo ejigen momo nganata momo ngane yowe makafu contradiction of Bible alo maso kama anse fanya video share sam mo mbati nsengokoji futara futimu eke kawanku anase Yahuda Quintana follow mu Facebook Yahuda Binyesi futara for accept mo finya more videos for your CSF TV and a common sense family. A one from fire on figure 3 versions do number of versions do Nemfi or just a chombole a weenie. Omonu chombolo and a yawi. Musamananse and a yawi. Musamananse and a size and a case dase. Nana Kali we are Nane yo a solid and not a being the a solid. Biano a soft phone a different baby ane. Fama collection tight. But the bapoya chang, bapoy long. Mama ji school at the big ngana just ngani ana pe collection ana mata na school at the big kiji kura dana asan am se fa yo fa ba na malo be fada ada ba bili kujo kakinji kola ntosu am ba super be sa fada am fada asoro ba chere fada asoro ya krachi am fada asoro ya nke akra am anu ane te aninda atane munya kanti me so bi anse me ko bi aka no na nasonko eji YouTube channel asa isi shout out to Bernard Ntenu bijamse shout out to Koli Collins kwiku anyina mai maka anyina mai wi pe ka no maka chombola wi pe ka no msama nanse baba anaka jamu